Come with the run on me, go. I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. You don't say when we dey suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me I don't tire of our government. Tell me when they come they lie about empowerment. So I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do when you see them. Hey, come with the run on me, oh. We are the people of freedom. We know retreat, we know surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Come walk my boat, they chop out. There is no trace of freedom. They know they plan the way to migrate, but it's too late. Freedom movement. All through the run on the road. We are the people of freedom. We know retreat, we know surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Complete the walk my boat, they chop out. There is no trace of freedom. They know they plan the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Why you say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, if you like say I get answer for youth, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to mumu, go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they talk for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, mama no lights. See us with the sun cause they put us for it. And when we dey para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigerians, it's time for us to stand up. I like hear down the face, look into my eyes, you go see say you dey right though. Come with the run on the road. We are the people of freedom. We know retreat, we know surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Complete the walk, my boat they jump out. There is no trace of freedom. They know they plan the way to migrate, but it's too late. People of freedom. Come with the run on the road. We are the people of freedom. We know retreat, we know surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Complete the walk, my boat they jump out. There is no trace of freedom. They know they plan the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down.
Yes.
It's Mr. OJ on the beats.
Akataka. As you can know, Mega Comrade is Mega. He's always Mega, jack of all trade. And after this, then I'm going to go to work tonight. You know what I'm saying? So after this, Mega Comrade is going to go to work. Brothers and sisters, today's date is Friday, December 13, 2019. I repeat, Friday, December 13, 2019. I want everyone to go ahead and share the word of freedom. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and share the word of freedom. YouTube, go ahead and share the word of freedom. God bless you. As you are doing that, let me go ahead and do my own as well. Thank you. God bless you. Go ahead, go ahead. Thank you.
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute. Double J. Come with the run on me, go. I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. You don't take away we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try go Libya to cross the sea. Now they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness. Lying they kill our economy. Me I don't tire of our government. Tell me why they call the lie about empowerment. So I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do when they see them. Hey, come with the army, oh. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Complete the war, go the chopper. There is no trace of freedom.
Yes, God bless you, brothers and sisters. As we understand, a couple of days ago, Nigeria DSS, Department of Secret Service or State Service, whatever they call them, they bad more than what they can chew. The action they use against Omoyele Sowore triggered the involvement of the United States senators, most especially Senator Bob Hernandez. He came out and condemned the barbaric behavior of the Nigerian DSS. However, I came out instantly and let the whole world know the consequence of not listening to the United States of America. A lot of people said that America cannot do a damn thing. And today, I cannot come out and tell you that Nigeria DSS and Muhammad Buhari administration are in big trouble. Before now, in 4 days, I will be in Washington, D.C. Believe me or not, I am going to do broadcast from there. And whatever I can do, I am willing to do it. The way Omoyele Sowore was dragged down in the court, the way they were giving me a chokehold, whatever, choking him, trying to kill him, is unacceptable. It baffled me to see Nigeria lawyers today, Nigeria judiciary, all of them now, they are not condemning the action. Here is my question to all Nigeria legal, whatever it is, advocates. Where were you when they were doing that to Omoyele Sowore? If not the almighty United States of America that changed the unchangeable way that Nigerian DSS are behaving, do any Nigerian believe that all these people rushing to Channels TV, rushing to RTV, rushing to ART, NTA, where were they? Little bit more than 2 years ago, I spoke with the Attorney General of Federal Republic of Nigeria when xenophobia was going on in South Africa, where they were killing our innocent poor citizens. I think it's a reasonable man, but I don't know why he allowed this kind of behavior to take place in Nigeria. The Nigerian judiciary, arm of judiciary, should be thanking the almighty in America, because the Nigerian judiciary have been completely decimated. They have been oppressed due to inability to control their urge for money. Most of them disgrace themselves to the politician, to the extent that no politician give a damn about them. How can you order for a man to be released, and yet you will refuse to obey the court order? Nigerian DSA is in big trouble because of illegal action against Omoyele Sowore. And message to others: nobody, I repeat, nobody messes with the almighty America and go free. Now Nigeria Senate are now investigating the investigator. Where situation come whereby investigators are now being investigated, then you know that something is wrong. after Senator Bob Hernandez did the press conference with excellent performer of Mrs. Omoyele Sowore, the wife of Omoyele Sowore, which she did outstanding job, excellent job. So the Nigerian ambassador related the information to the president, and immediate appropriate way was ordered in order not to bring disgrace, kind of way. You know what I'm saying? So now they are not saying that they want to remove the case from DSS. Who placed that case in the hands of DSS in the first place? And I want to say this again. America don't play. When they tell you to release this man, you release him without delay. All this investigation, trying to sugarcoat or trying to showcase that, oh, let us do it in a way that it will not be disgraceful to Nigeria. The DSS have already disgraced Nigeria. They have already disgraced Nigeria. How can you release someone, grant a bail, less than 24 hours inside the court? You went back there and rearrest him. The Attorney General, Nigeria Ministry of Justice, whatever you have said, we heard it. But I want to let you know, America don't play. I want to repeat it again. America do not play. When they tell you release Omoyele Sowore, you do it. You do it. So all these opportunists, all these advantage taker who are rushing to fast, what they call it, Channels TV, AIT, whatever, NTA, speaking what you don't know, you all need to back off. All we want is for them to release Omoyele Sowore without delay. It's been more than 1 week now. Let me tell you, United States Senate, they are working on a bipartisan bill to sanction Nigeria. We don't want that. Before you know it, announcement will be made. There will be a heavy sanction. Senator Bob Hernandez is not playing. For you people try to see, oh, is Sowore tied to Biafra? Is Biafra now, or is tied to Boko Haram? When did Sowore? I know Sowore. Sowore is not my friend. I have never seen Sowore tasked with a Boko Haram. I can call Sowore anything, but I can never call him a Boko Haram. You know what I'm saying? I can call Sowore anything, but no Boko Haram ties. Or Sowore have ties with Boko Haram. It is shameful to see academia, so-called the highlanders, disgracing themselves, or because they cannot stand up and speak the truth. So, my friends and those that watch my video, I want to tell you, every day you delay Sowore release, America will make sure you pay for it. It don't matter whenever, however you want to do it. The United States ambassador is not going to argue with you. It's not going to argue with you. Don't think because they do not argue with you, so it's a free pass to do it whenever you want. No. It is time for you to release Omoyele Sowore. All these days you have not heard from any other person. I guarantee you, Senator Bob Hernandez, they are drafting a sanction, heavy sanction. When they lay that sanction on Nigeria, it's going to affect me. It's going to affect innocent people. We do not want it. That is why I came out today to come back and appeal to Muhammadu Buhari, leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. I know Oshomole, Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole, a lot of things is going on. Governor Godwin Obaseki is a problem. But I want to beg Yoruba people, come together and help your brother. It don't matter whatever Sowore have done. Sowore have done a lot to me, but put that aside. Help him. Nobody deserves to go through what he's going through right now. He has not exploded one bomb. He has no tie to terrorists. I don't know what is going on. And IPOB, and they are not terrorist organization. I'm not a member. So if you're gonna charge Sowore because of the ties he have with IPOB, what about those people in social media who are saying they are bribers? Mofiuyi should be brought to Nigeria, should be labeled a terrorist. Where are we? Larry? So, my people, the only way Nigerian government react to things is when they see the urgency. I am pleading on behalf of Omoyele Sowore family. We do not want problem. Nigerian senator is not like American senator. American senator is like 4 presidents in Nigeria or in West Africa. Senators are respected in America. Do not play with United States of America. Don't mess with them. Don't play with them. Don't make things difficult for innocent Nigeria more than the way it is now. The rumor we are hearing now is a rumor. I call it rumor because I have not verified that Omoyele Sowore could have been injected by some illegal substance that make him to behave abnormal. That is what we are hearing. But we hope that is not true. Because immediately Omoyele Sowore arrived in the United States, they're going to take him for medical examination. Don't play with America. They're going to take him for medical examination. They're going to examine everything. Believe me or not. If there's any chemical or any drug, if they find anything inside Omoyele body, it don't matter. No matter how you're going to download it. This is America. The FBI, they will bring it out. Whoever responsible will be, oh my God. It will be they will extradite that person to America. He will not serve there in Nigeria. He's coming to America. Federal prison, right there. So, if you have the intention to do it, don't do it. Take my word for it. There's nothing I have said that I have not gone through. The same person that said the road Omoyele was following is a bad road, it's going to lead him to jail, and he actually went to jail. I'm the same person that is telling you now the road that the DSS is following now is a bad road. And this one have crippled the power of DSS. So, my people should be thankful to America. I see lawyers, I see judges. The Chief Justice today, we are telling all the judge that they should blame themselves for all this evasion of court. Nigeria have 3 arms of government: the judiciary, legislature, and the executive branch, which Governor Obaseki did not know. I get the video. They ask him what are the 3 arms of government. He don't know. He don't know. I never seen the video. Wait to. Wait, let me check it. Brother, give me 1 second. I'm not trying to tell you he didn't know it, but after too much crack cocaine, well, let me look for the video so that I can just. Oh, no, come on. Give me 1 second. My people, let me bring the video out. I want to play it for you so that you believe me. Because whatever I say sometimes, a lot of you argue it. Where is the video? 3 arms of government. Wait. You know what? People have that video. A lot of people have seen that video, right? A lot of people have seen that video. Unfortunately, I don't think I have it here. So, give me 1 second. I like to make sure that I got it. Let me see if I can provide the video right away. I hope I find the video. No. It's not here with me. So, tomorrow, I guarantee you, I will bring that video out tomorrow. So, brothers and sisters, whatever you can do to help Omoyele Sowore, do it. Because it's Sowore time, this time, it's Sowore turn. What I'm surprised, them Dorotoye, Kingsley Moghalu, and the rest of them, nobody have done and more. Nobody I have not seen any. I have not seen them on social media, parading on social media, crying for Sowore. Those so-called those people that came to destroy the dream of the youth. Kingsley Moghalu, all of them, nobody have come out. Mega comrade that Sowore stab have done more than what they are, all of the command have not done. And Sowore is going to go through this. He's going to go through it. But my prayer is for them not to make a mistake and inject that man with any substance. Illegal substance. That is my prayer. And that is why everyone should be very careful with all this third world country, third world law enforcement. Because they will be thinking they have been getting away with killing people, doing a lot of things. They will be thinking, oh yeah, we can get away with this. Not knowing that this one will be different. May God not let you be the one that will be the victim of we can get away with in Jesus' mighty name. In Jesus' mighty name. So I am out today. I'm tired. This is the 3rd video I'm doing. I have done my best. I am begging everyone who is close to Muhammadu Buhari, President Muhammadu Buhari, allow Sowore to go. Let him go in peace. And those that are parading New York with a Sowore truck, it's not you New York you should be parading on. This is my opinion. Carry that truck to Washington DC. Go to number 16 Pennsylvania Avenue and be driving that truck. You know Pennsylvania Avenue. Drive it to the powerhouse of the Senate and the House of Assembly house. Drive it around that area. It's not New York City. You people should be driving that truck. Except if it's just for show up. If really is to fight for Sowore, take that truck to Washington DC. That is all I can say for now. That being said, brothers and sisters, Mega Comrade love you all. I will continue to do my best. I am not perfect. I have to rest. In about a few hours, I'll be heading to work. and go and do another 8 hours struggling. But whatever I can do to help my family, I'm ready to do it. It is a pity that most of us are suffering internally due to no fault of our own. Nobody know what I'm going through. We don't know what Showore family is going through. It's only them that know what they're going through. The only pain I can feel with them is pain of a missing family, because I know what it is. No one know the pain Omoyele Showore wife is going through. 1 million things is running through her head every time. All these friends that are going around, you don't understand. Would my husband make it? Is he going to come out alive? Is he going to come out normal? How is life going to be? These are the things this woman is thinking every goddamn motherfucking minute. We should understand that. And this should be a lesson to other Nigerians. Do not push your brother into harm way when you know that you don't want to be in that harm way. Just like some people were trying to push me into harm way. Thanks to the Oba of Benin Kingdom and thanks to the palace, who have completely exonerated me from any wrongdoing. People are out to push you into problem, knowing fully well that problem, they themselves, they don't want that problem, but they want to push you into it. May God not let your enemy push you into problem in Jesus' mighty name. That being said, brothers and sisters, I am begging you, pray for Omoyele Showore and his family. Governor Obaseki is close to him. Obaseki is not close to him. Buhari is just babysitting him so that when they lose second time, so that we know they are just babysitting him and try to console him. Obaseki is gone, so we don't want to go. Governor Obaseki is gone. Let's forget about it. But what is the question? Let me read what he's saying. Hold on, give me 1 second. Just 1 second. Let me read what this guy is saying here. Okay, what is your question? Go ahead. He said, but Baba, can you pause for a second? Do you know many people Showore deprived of justice in Lagos? In 2015, Showore read out in public Lagos, read out public legal election as if APC did not use. We understand. We are not here to judge. We are not here to judge Showore, my brother. I understand. Nobody suffer in the hands of Showore more than me that is talking today. If Showore did everything we said, what we agree on, Showore will not be where the situation is now. By now, AAC in Edo State would have been booming. So we know that, but we are not here to judge. He's already in his bad situation. It's just like me now. No matter what I do, even sometimes I might do something that is not good. Forgive me. So we have to learn how to help rescue him so that he can come out and fix what he have destroyed. My brother, forgive him. I understand. Don't say, people might be shocked. They say, you were fighting Showore the other day. Look at you now. You are not. That is me for you. That is why I have an independent minded. There are things that we do I will agree with. There are things we will do I will disagree. That is what makes Mega Comrade unique. I know it's really late in Europe. I don't want to hold you up behind. So my people, let us put whatever differences we have with Showore aside for now. Please, I am begging you. A lot of people who were supporting me, who said they will do a lot of things, when all these stories start going here and there, some people were not calling me. Some were just looking. Some people might pretend to be your friend. But all of a sudden, they all want to talk to me now. That is life for you. Let me tell you, when Showore come out tomorrow, people that did not do anything with him, those are the people who will be sitting with him. They will be doing a TV show with him. Some people are using him to grow themselves, like Chidi in Canada. Chidi was having less than 5,000 subscribers. Now Chidi, I think he have about 60,000 subscribers on YouTube. These are some of the things we don't want. When others see it, they will say, no. If somebody is using him, fuck it. So I'm just doing my own. I don't come every day and say, Showore. No. I just make this video right now. It's 30 minutes. I don't want it to be long, so that people can be able to listen to it. And maybe don't mess with America. America tell you, let this man go, let him go. Period. Let him go. Let him go. Let that man go. The biggest mistake Nigeria government will do, God forbid something happen to Showore in there. Do you think the senators, they will want their listen, if Showore spend more than what Bob Hernandez want, it will affect his re-election in New Jersey. Other senators will use it to mock him. New Jersey citizen, they will use it. Opposition will use it against him. Then how long does it take you to help free a resident of your constituency? That is the question they're going to ask him. People will use it to torpedo his political career. And Senator Bob Hernandez is not ready to go down to that route. America is not a place. It's like Senator John Cornyn of Texas. We come out and say, Mega comrade, do this to Mega. You say no. He will not go nowhere. If my brother, America is different. Let me tell you, I am into politics in the United States. I know a lot about politics over here. So the way they play politics here is completely different. Every little mistake you make is waiting for you on your election time. So my people, Mega comrade, I totally disagree. That's fine. That you are, we can disagree and agree. That's fine. That is your opinion. This is my opinion. I appreciate that. You know, we respectfully disagree and agree. Chidi, I know Chidi very well. So that is it. I wish Chidi would travel to Nigeria now. It would be better. But it's not in Nigeria. Chidi is very close to Showore. So he should have been in Nigeria now with Showore. That is how a friend behave. So if you don't agree, that is it. I don't want to even talk about him in my show. God bless you. I love you. Bye. Thank you.
They don't say when we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try go Libya to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy.
No.
Not tired of our government.
Hold on. I am not telling you that America can make decision for Nigeria. No, I am not telling you. I'm telling you America can influence decision in Nigeria. They can influence it. Before America come into it, Showore was not every news in Nigeria. Go and look at the news right now. That is the influence of the American, of the almighty America. Nobody mess with the American. American can never come to Nigeria and beg them to give them B1, B2 bomber to buy ammunition. No, Nigeria will come to America. I don't know this superiority you people want. You people call yourself giant of West Africa, giant of West Africa. I don't know where you are gianting. I don't know. So please don't misinterpret what I said. I think you might be smart enough to understand what I'm saying. Thank you. Good night. Please, I'm begging you.
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute. I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. They don't say when we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try go Libya to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me I don't tire of our government. Tell me why they call the lie about empowerment. So I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do, we see them. Hey, come with the run on me, oh. no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper, there is no trace. And all the plans we wait to migrate, but it's too late. All freedom and all the we are the people. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper, there is no trace. And all the plans we wait to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided with order. Oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided with order. Why you be say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars when we don't vote.
Okay. What? Okay. So Obaseki people shoot 15 people today. 16 people. Okay. All right. Those people that they shoot, is any of them dead or life-threatening injury? Okay, hit and run. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, no problem. USA, let me let the world know about that. Okay, my people. This is really sad. Today, I just got this message right now that Obaseki terrorist group they shoot Ushomule or Pastor Sagi Zeyamo people 16 hit and run. They did it what they call hit and run. That is what they did. They open fire, they hit and run 16 of them. They don't know if anyone is alive now or if they are dead until tomorrow. So that is the breaking news. I just got the information right now over the phone that they shot 16 people. In I told you Edo people. I told them. So that is it. It's a pity. What a life. 16 people. Obaseki administration. Obaseki 4+4 terrorist group. So they are responsible for anything that is happening in Benin today. 16 people are terrorists about Obase. They did it hit and run. If the IG is listening, I just got the call right now. Everybody saw me when I got the call. Then when I saw the missed call, I called back. It just let me know. So that the terrorists about Obase gang. They shot 16 people. If Comrade Adamali Oshomole is listening, if you are there, so I'm telling you now, from a reliable source, terrorists Abat Emite Obase, terrorists Abat Obase and his gang, they shot your people, 16 of them today. 16 today. So that is it. 16 people. So, and the informant have never lied to me. Everything I have said have gone through. The informant break it yesterday that 14 people, they open fire on the military were coming and the police were coming, so that the agency, they open fire. That 14 was down and they confirmed it. How the deputy governor went to the hospital, and they say informant is telling me today that Obaseki people have retaliated. They said they cannot fight the military, now they retaliate on innocent civilian. So is that what you're clapping for? 4+4? Hold on, I think it's calling me back. Hold on, let me answer. Drop, let me call you so that I can use my credit. If you are hearing me, if you are watching. Hello? Yes. Okay, even mistakenly. Drop, let me call you. Here is the breaking news. Breaking news. This is a heavy one. Mistakenly, today I was even thinking of this guy. They say even mistakenly they shot Abel Stone on his leg. As we are speaking, Abel Stone have been shot. And this Abel Stone is a very handsome boy. I love that boy. I don't know why that boy is doing what he's doing. Hold on, let me call. Let me call. Hold on. Let me get the information. Wapege. Hello. Yes, about this information of Ebo Stone, how sure as what is the information? How many percent? Mistakenly. Oh, they wanted to shoot the gun, not jam. Oh, okay. So they mistakenly shoot under 15 in Etete. Wow. So Obaseki people shot a lot of people. They said they mistakenly shot one under 15 years old boy in Etete. That they shot a lot of people. So if any news is listening, this is Obaseki terrorist group about Obase that Ebo stole the gun that met Ebo Stone on his leg, that the gun jammed. When it jammed, they put it on towards to the ground and okay, if you he said I should ask you people if Ebo Stone can wear shoe now. Tell him to wear they should tell him to wear shoe. They should look at his leg and see if there's no gunshot. There's bandage right now. So thank you for your information. The Edo people will remember you. God bless you. If you are the one, we are done here now. Ebo Stone mistakenly shot himself on the leg. He has a bandage right now in his leg. Obasi, they said they shot a lot of people in Etete today. Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu, if you are listening, Obaseki terrorists Abat Obase need to be invited to Abuja. You need to be invited to Abuja. They shot a lot of people today. Yes, I'm just saying it. I got the information right now. It's confirmed 100%. If what I said or what the informant gave me is not true, the DSS or the state Oshomole should tell them to bring Ebo Stone to check his leg. Innocent 15 years old boy have been shot by Governor Godwin Obaseki terrorist group. You see that? That is it, my people. That is what Nigeria have become, those states have become. So if you people think what I'm saying or what my informant have given me is not true, go to Etete and ask question. The same beret. I tell you now about this beret. So Obaseki is held responsible for all these innocent children. Now they call 4+4. Now go see 4+4. I did America here. And they go, man, go bath, man, relax, man, put my gun for a waist, make I go walk. So bye you. God bless you. Thank you. How can a handsome boy like Ebo Stone? Why go on? Ọgbìnrin Obaseki iye we gbéragbe ìgbìnrin Ebo Stone gbìnrin Obaseki he dey do am passing or see one. I see their video today. I look at it and say Good night.